Hello, today we will guide you through how to draw a horizontal line in ThinkorSwim. In this walkthrough, we'll place a clean, level line on your chart to mark key prices such as support, resistance, or a target. If you're just opening the platform, give it a moment to load your workspace so the chart tools appear as expected. Begin by heading to the charting area. At the top of the platform, look for the Charts section and select it so your active chart is front and center. You should see a price graph with time along the bottom and price on the right. If you have multiple grids, click into the specific chart pane where you want the line so the platform knows which chart you're working on. Next, open the drawing controls. On most layouts, you'll find a drawings menu or a drawing tools icon near the chart. Click it to reveal the full set of annotation tools. When the menu is open, pause your cursor over the drawing options to preview what each tool does. You'll see choices like trend lines, shapes, and other annotations. Choose the trendline tool. While the name suggests angled lines, you can use it to create a perfectly flat, horizontal line by placing and dragging carefully. With trendline selected, move your cursor to the exact price level you want to mark. Use the price scale on the right to guide you. Click to anchor the starting point, then drag your mouse straight across the chart to extend the line. Keep your cursor aligned with the same price level as you drag. Watching the price readout helps you stay perfectly level. Release to set the line. If the line isn't perfectly horizontal, don't worry. You can fine-tune it by selecting an endpoint and nudging it until both ends align with the same price on the right-hand axis. For extra clarity, consider adjusting the color or thickness so it stands out against your candles. Most versions let you format a selected line via a small settings window or a right-click menu. That's it. You've added a horizontal reference to your chart using the drawing tools. Horizontal lines are great visual anchors. They make it easier to see where price has reacted before. As a quick tip, some versions of the platform also include a dedicated price level tool in the same drawing menu. If you see it, it will place a horizontal line in one click at your chosen price. Finally, if you want your line to be there next time you open the platform, make sure your workspace or chart settings are saved.